Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get CapCut templates from TikTok. So here I'm going to just open the TikTok apps first, so you can actually find a CapCut templates from TikTok like this, or you can also search it by your own. So by clicking on the search column, you can just find. So here I'm going to CapCut template, so I'm going to just search CapCut template and the template will be show up, and you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So what you need to do is just click on the CapCut try this template button at the top of the captions of the video. So just click on that, and then here use template on CapCut, just click on the button, and then you can just choose the materials from your phone. Okay, here you'll be directed to CapCut, and then click on use template, and here you just need to choose the pictures that you want to add to the template. So I'm going to just scroll down. Okay, and then click on next. And now the templates that I got from TikTok has been created, and if you like with the result, you can just click on export, and then it will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, so that is how you can get CapCut template from TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please click on the thanks below. Don't forget to click on the like, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.